Is your diesel truck giving you a low exhaust fluid warning even though you just filled the tank up to the brim at the truck stop? If you have a check engine light and the code P203B, then your vehicle is dealing with a reductant level sensor circuit range or performance problem. This is a very common issue for diesel owners across the country, from heavy-duty Ram and Chevrolet trucks to Mercedes-Benz Sprinter vans and Volkswagen diesels. Since the environmental laws in the United States are very strict, your diesel engine uses a urea solution called diesel exhaust fluid to neutralize harmful pollutants before they leave the tailpipe. The reductant level sensor is tucked inside that fluid tank, and it sends a signal to the engine control module to let it know exactly how much fluid you have left. When that sensor sends an electrical reading that does not make sense, the computer gets worried because it cannot tell if you are about to run out of fluid. If you ignore this code for too long, many modern trucks will actually enter a limp mode where they limit your speed to only 5 miles per hour or even prevent the engine from starting once you turn it off. The symptoms are pretty clear, including an incorrect fluid reading on your dash, a check engine light, and sometimes even a warning message telling you how many miles you have left before the truck shuts down. The most common cause is a defective sensor inside the tank, but it can also be caused by a mechanical arm getting stuck inside or even having the wrong type of fluid in the tank. To fix this, the first thing you should do is clear the codes and take a drive around the block to see if it was just a weird electronic glitch. Make sure the tank is actually full and that the fluid is fresh, because old fluid can crystallize and mess up the sensor. You can use a high-end scanner to watch the sensor voltage, and if it shows the tank is empty while you know it is full, then the sensor is definitely bad. Check the wiring harness for any signs of damage or corrosion from road salt and snow, because a broken wire can easily fool the computer. Replacing the sensor often involves dropping the tank or removing a large assembly, so you should probably head to a professional diesel technician if you do not have the right tools to handle the mess. Getting this fixed quickly will keep your truck out of limp mode and ensure you can stay on the road for your next big haul.